Welcome and thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to share with friends and family and also give me a big thumbs up. And if this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you join our family. And click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's tutorial, I have to say thank you to my husband for helping me come up with this. While we were wandering around Dollar Tree trying to buy some supplies for this week, I knew I wanted to use these wine glass or champagne glasses. They're really, really thick, and I couldn't figure out what I wanted to use them for. And again, thanks to my husband and both of us brainstorming, we came up with these. So what you're going to need are some wire lights. Again, the ones I usually buy are from Amazon, and I'll leave that link down below if you want to purchase the ones that I use. But of course, there's always some at Dollar Tree, the wire battery operated lights. So go ahead and get some, whichever ones you use, and place them inside your cup like so. And what we're going to do is glue the other wine glass on top. I'm just checking to make sure that these lights do work. Once I do know that, I kind of put it all the way in the wire lights until they're good to plastic, and then I just bend it so it just stays in place that way over the edge of the glass. Using E6000, or if you have a glue glass, go ahead and use that. Either one will work. Go ahead and add some of your adhesive all around the rim of one of the glasses. And this is so easy to make. It just takes a while because you have to wait for the glue to dry. But other than that, it's super simple. So once it's you put the glue all around the rim of one of your glasses, flip it over, make sure it's even, and put it over the other glass. And then you do the same to another two pair of your wine glasses. And these from Amazon, basically if you decide to order them, they're almost the same price. I think it's about $1 more for 24, pack. But again, I'll leave all that information down below. I like them for one, because they're almost the same price, and two, because it's so much more. You get so much more lights in them. But again, just go ahead and unravel them, make sure they work, and then put them inside your wine glass. When you're complete with these, I left them as is because I like them that way. But you can easily add bling to these, add some beads or something dangling on the shader part of these lamps. The spray paint the part where the lights aren't at. I mean, the possibilities are endless of different ideas and different ways you can make these. You can make these shabby chic, really glamorous, or even country style. But again, the way I wanted them was just clear. So that's the way I'm leaving them. But go ahead and add your E6000 or Gorilla Glue or glass glue around one rim of your glass. Flip it over. And just make sure all the wiring is inside your glasses. And then make sure it's even. And go ahead and set those aside. And let them glue for at least 2 hours before you move them around and do the next part. But if you can, at least overnight would be even better. So once they've been dry for a while, go ahead and get your third cup. And we're going to add some, again, adhesive. But this time we're going to add it to the bottom of your top glass. I guess you could say that. So. And then you're going to put bottom to bottom together. Push down on it, make sure it's even, and then set that aside and let that dry. And then you do the same to the other one, making sure it's all clean. What I use is just one of the wet Windex napkins or wipes. So you go ahead and add your adhesive. And that's another thing. Make sure you clean all your glass before you do all of this with the Windex or soap and water, and then make sure it's completely dry, or even some rubbing alcohol would work. So once you're done, go ahead and set those aside and let them dry. Now, once they're all completely dry, go ahead and start gluing your little battery packs to your light, your lamp dome part. And for video purposes, I'm just going to use my hot glue, but I did add some E6000 to this as well. So I just put mine up and down instead of vertical instead of horizontal, just so it could look better and I could hide them. And then using these these plastic bowls that you can get in your party section, I'm removing the sticker, and I already cleaned the inside of them. And using one of these push lights, which you could get on Amazon, Dollar Tree, Walmart. I mean, there's everywhere you can get them, and basically about the same price. Just go ahead and add your Fix-All glue, adhesive. Again, for video purposes, I'm just using hot glue. And then make sure you flip it over, and the one glass that's up, side up, that's the one that's going to be on the top. And there you have your lamps. How easy was this, and how beautiful? I think they're so beautiful. The video doesn't do justice to these, how pretty they look in person. But there you go. And if you see, I have shelves in the back of me now, and that's where I actually placed them. This is the way they look with both top and middle lights on. And this is the way it looks with just the top on and the bottom dome part on. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you'll be making these. Till next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.